Magandang gabi. Alas 7 na ng gabi at this is going to be a quick video. Let's learn kada. 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 I have 3 soaps here. These are lavender soaps. Ilan ito? How many? Isa, dalawa, tatlo. 1, 2, and 3. I have 3 soaps. Tatlong sabon. And if you're going to ask me how much each, $1.69 kada isa. So, what is kada? Kada, the Tagalog word kada, is the equivalent of each in English. Just in case you're grocery shopping and you wanna ask, how much each? How much? Magkano? Magkano kada isa? So, yun lang. Just the word kada para sa videong to. Bye!